Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you chose to click on my video today. Today we're gonna just take it really easy and I'm just gonna do a chill sewing video. I'm not gonna be showing you how to do much, but you can just watch me do my thing. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing, but I just felt like grabbing my sewing machine and a project I've been having laying around forever, and I just wanted to see what I could come up with. So I just thought you would like to just watch me do that. So let's get sewing. Hi, I thought I would just come and jump in here and just hang out with you a little bit and talk with you for a second while you watch me do my thing. I wish I had the footage of this original dress, but I don't. I deleted it accidentally when I was still pretty new, getting used to my camera, and so I wish I had it for you, but it's just a sleeveless maxi dress that had a design on the front. You'll see it here and there. I'm unpicking it right now, and it had lace on the back and then a little bit of lace going around the bottom, and I was able to utilize most of the aspects of the dress. I did not use the design in the front of the dress, but I just didn't really want that to be incorporated in my outfit at all. I liked that I kind of kept some of the design aspects of the dress, or like the general feel of it, and turned it into something that I really, really like, and hopefully we'll get some use out of instead of this just sitting around in a bin tucked underneath my desk for 6 months. So I'm really excited about that. Anyway, keep watching and I hope you enjoy it. Hi. So I think I've decided what I want to do. I'm going to do some kind of top with some big poofy sleeves if I can get enough fabric. But I'm going to do something I haven't done in years. I'm going to use a pattern. It's been at least like 2-3 years since I've since I've used a pattern, but I just wanted this to go a little faster and I don't really want to pattern it right now. So I'm gonna use a pattern and hopefully it goes well. I'm obviously gonna alter the pattern because I'm thinking I'm gonna use a dress pattern that I have, but I'm gonna alter it a little bit. So you'll see what I mean. show you what's going on. It looks really funny right now, but we have lace insertion in the middle. I like that. It's a good use of the lace and also gives me more width because it was a little small and I want to gather in the waist. I'm going to add a 4-inch seam. That was the hem of the bottom of the dress. I'm going to use that, and I'm probably going to shear, I think it's called, where you add the elastic into it, elastic threading, and it scrunches it together. And then the sleeves are doing good. I did make a mistake when I was doing the sleeves, so I'm going to have to trim off quite a bit here at the bottom to even them out. I accidentally pinned what's supposed to be the back of the sleeves to the front and the front to the back, but I didn't know I pinned the back part of the sleeve onto the front because it fit really well. It was only when I got to the back that they were a little shorter. The sleeve opening part was a little shorter that I realized I had made a mistake. And these are the kind of sleeves that form part of the collar. And then I'm going to hem it and add some elastic, or I'm just going to gather it and add some, let's take you up top. I'm going to either hem it and add some elastic, or I'm going to add some bias tape that came off the dress, and I'm going to just gather it all the way around except for the lace right here because I don't want this squished together. Yeah, I don't really want that squished together. Oops, it's falling off. So that's where we're at today. I have to trim the sleeves, add the bottom, do the shearing, and then either hem the top or add bias tape to the top and gather that. And then I think this top will be done. So I'm excited. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I like the neckline, I like how it sits, I like the little bow, I like the gathers. The sleeves I like, but once they're gathered, they're going to be slightly shorter than what I want, and I cut them a little wrong, so these are going to have to change a little bit. And then the bottom is what I'm really kind of sad about, so I'm going to have to figure something else out here. But I had it where I was hoping that this extra hem right here would sit below my belt, but it doesn't even really come to it, and I want this a little bit longer, so I'm going to have to figure something else out here. But I like this. I like this. Also, underneath the arms is a little tight as well, so I might need to add some gussets here because it's not terrible, but it just kind of cuts in a little bit, and I know over time I would be pulling at it, so I'm going to adjust that a little bit, and I think that's it. So I'm running out of fabric, so hopefully I can come up with something. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe turn it into a top for a dress or something, and I'll just have to add some extra fabric from my stash or whatever. But I'm gonna go with it, and hopefully something wearable comes out of it. Well, I have run into a lot of hiccups. I don't know if I've unpicked this much in a long, long time. Apparently this pattern and I don't mix, and trying to piece the dress together, or the remaining pieces of the dress, I didn't lay out the pattern very well. I didn't line up the pattern very well. So what I'm getting from this is that I rushed it and didn't pay attention. All I have to do now is to add a elastic in the bottom, and I had to add another hemming or another piece around the bottom. I don't remember what it's called. It's been a long day and I was hoping to have this done already, and it's not working. But it's just one of those projects. Sometimes they go great and other times you just run into thing after thing. I was hoping to have this done this morning and I'm running into the evening now. So anyway, I'm just doing the sleeves. I was going to do like an elastic band, but I decided to do the shirring. I've done 2 rows already and I want to do up to like 4 or 5. Just to give it more of a cuffed look so it doesn't look too clownish, because these are some pretty poofy sleeves. So yeah, I was originally going to do some bias tape and a bow on them, but I didn't feel like doing any more gathering. I know, taking the lazy way out, but anyway, I'm going to keep going and I'll hopefully see you when this is done. Here's the finished project. Just ignore all the mess in the background. But I'm going to have to call it quits for now. There's still some fit issues underneath the arms, but I think the only way to resolve it is to loosen some of these gathers. So I might just have to go with elastic around the neckline instead of the tie, which I do love the tie. It's so cute here. But in general, this is exactly what I was thinking of. I have the poofy sleeves with the gathers, and I love them. I just barely tried it on, and like I said, it looks really good. I would have it on myself, but it's easier to just, I don't know, have it on a mannequin at the moment. I liked the waist. This, even though I don't love having a seam right here, it actually hits me right at my smallest point, so it's kind of flattering on me. And then this waistband does really good. It doesn't gather as much as it does on my mannequin because I'm a little bit bigger than my mannequin, but it was good. Anyway, here's the back. This is what I have for the back. That's a sad looking bow. Anyway, here's the bow detail. Anyway, here's the bow detail. I think it turned out really, really cute. I like how the back's pretty much solid. I do like the placement of this seam. If I had to have a seam, I'm glad it's here. And then, like I said, this one's at my waist, so it's really flattering. I really like it, but I'm going to have to do some more modifications, but I have to end this video here. So hopefully in the future you will get to see this piece completely finished. Okay, that does it for this video. Once again, thanks for joining me. If you're new here, my name is Anne, and I love to sew and make new things and just try different techniques. So if that's something you're interested in, then I'm a channel for you. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, please subscribe. And I'm excited to see you in my next one. Bye!